What's up, guys? This was the past episode, so let's go on March 13th, and I think on this particular time I'm recording this will end with this day, March 13th. Could be a no trade day, who knows? But okay, so on where we're currently at, I filled the 4 hour gap that I wanted to fill, and filled the unfilled 4 hour here. Hourly wise, I want us if we're gonna be bullish actually going for this price, which I do believe you want to go towards. What I want to see is manipulate this hourly in order to go higher. Because I'm leading bullish internally. Yeah, I'm leading bullish internally, guys. But if we manipulate first here and actually reject, then this now becomes my drawn liquidity. Really easy conditions. So let's look at the news. Okay, there was 8:30 news and there's also 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. Okay. 8:30? No, that's not an 8:30 news. So we don't have data highs anymore. This is like just a random candle. Yeah, this is a random candle. So let's see. Alright, let's see here. Hourly. I love this hourly, bro. I'm just so bullish. I'm so bullish, bullish, bullish. Actually, we also have this hourly here. Alright. It's much better if you manipulate on this hourly, like more discount hourly, but if you manipulate on this more premium one, I don't really care. I'm taking the long. This looks perfect structure until hourly gap that I really wanted to fill. So I do believe this will be filled at equilibrium, bro. Excuse me. So I do believe we're actually gonna fill this up to the equilibrium of this leg. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's see if I'm right on that. With how the pre-market is going, I do believe we're just gonna flush here in order to just flush to the upside. Or I'm wrong. If you inverse this, no, I don't like to take longs. I would wait for manipulation on at least on this one of these hourly gaps because there's no 15 on that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for at least manipulation in one of these hourly gaps. Preferably more discount one, but I don't really mind if you just manipulate on this hourly here. All right, we're just great, generating liquidity. Okay, all right. We already took let's swap this hourly here. See if we're gonna go on the more discount one. So I think it yes though. Yes, yes. Oh, actually, we were the S&T on this hourly, so I don't really mind if NQ doesn't take this more discount hourly. We already have an hourly FVG S&T on this low, so pretty much I think like this. So we already at an S&T. I don't have to see NQ to go lower. It's better if that's the case, but it doesn't have to be that way. So currently we have this SMT here. So let's see if this SMT holds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just perfect longs. I don't even ask me. Literally every single thing here presented itself to be a perfect long setup. To be a perfect long setup. What did I say? I want us. This is my first condition a day. Manipulate on the hourly to fill this gap. Beautiful, beautiful, right? I said I want us to manipulate better on this discounted hourly, but we already had this FVG SMT since ES failed to take this more premium hourly. Well, NQ did. This is just perfect long. So now we know that this is an hourly gap. We manipulated an hourly gap with an SMT, and now we're not gonna care about this more discount hourly, since I'm anticipating for this to hold with this strong displacement, strong draw on liquidity, bro. It's like a pre-market high, unfilled hourly, just like the equilibrium of the hourly. 5 hour. So let's take this now. Stop loss just below the just on the below the IVG and TP on this unfilled on like equilibrium. But this might draw on liquidity though. But for safe TPs, it should be just on this hourly. But I do believe we should pump through here. However, as soon as we take this hourly and start to maybe chop or even reject, I would just manually close the trade. If it's just chopping, I'm just gonna be trailing my stops to just near this hourly. But if it's just starting to reject, I'm just gonna manually close. All right. But I really want to see the equilibrium of this hourly gap to be filled. And if we're gonna reject, then shorts would be presented. So let's take this long right here. All right. Say, bro, we're gonna go break even. I'm just gonna go break even at this five. Is why honestly, it's just an internal high. I want to see. I don't really want to see a rejection of it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there since we had a kind of closure above this one. Okay, hourly, the early gets flush. I'm gonna be preparing for a trailed stops here if we reject. So at least we go here. I'm gonna throw my stop here. Oh, that's a smash TP. Actually, bro, we filled the whole hourly gap. Anyways, bro, why did I have so much conviction in this trade? Because every single thing I said pre-market happened. I mean, apart from, as I've said, I would love to see the more discount hourly to get filled, but I don't need to have that. And what solidified that decision was this FVG SMT on this hourly gap, giving us an SMT and a really strong inversion, really clear, strong liquidity, so much LR, unfilled hourly here, and this really textbook long, guys. Really, really textbook longs. So, yeah, let's see if we can have another setup here. If we have strong rejection lower, then we should have shorts. I don't like the structure of this. I don't take any shorts like this. Longs. I don't really like any longs here, guys. Even though, like, mechanically, it looks good. But looking at the hourly, guys, I just do believe this gonna be the highest place where price would go, knowing that this is like a whole hourly BPR. So I don't really want to see us to go higher. Mechanically, it looks good, but I won't take that. Alright. When I see this, actually, guys, this looks perfect shorts. Psychological wise. Using my psychology, but I won't take this because it's mechanically bad. But psychologically, I can see a lot of people taking this longs, and the person who took longs here would get stopped out or would get stopped out if they're if they put their stop loss underneath this IVG. I'm not gonna take it, but yeah, I guess this one's gonna be an unfilled 15 minute. Yeah, I would rather take maybe longs if we reject on this unfilled 15 minute. I won't take this, but I do see this working out. Yeah, just literally flushed. What's the 15 minute? Uh, I don't really see anything. Yeah, or maybe a 15-minute short continuation short. I think a 15-minute continuation short would be good. All right, I actually like this. So as I've said, I don't really want to take any more longs upon this, and I was right on that. This short actually banked, but it's psychologically perfect for me. So discretion wise, I love it. Mechanically, it's bad. Longs here might be mechanically good, but I really don't like it psychologically and just with market experience. But the shorts here are perfect because I don't really want to see us to go higher. And we're currently expecting this 15-minute BPR here. And this would be my last trade on the day. So 15-minute BPR, really just, this one looks mechanically textbook. I don't know why, if some people won't understand why I took this trade. This one is pretty hooked to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna target this low. Yeah, I'm just gonna target this low. I don't think that S&T should hold anymore with where we're at. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this short GRR short, breaking even at this low, and take profit at this low. This is pretty. If you've been watching my backtesting sessions, like majority of them, you would just fully understand this video already. So this is just really textbook, guys. So stop loss there, TP here. Let's get it. That looks great, beautiful. I'm gonna go break even yet. We haven't taken this low. All right, break even. TP smash. Beautiful. Again, I make these videos where you can, if you didn't take any of this loss because if you hesitated, you can still take continuations or other positions if you are patient enough. Because if you're impatient, took this long, you're gonna be stopped out. If you took this short, it's psychologically good. Discretion wise, is great. Mechanically, I find it to be not good. There's no good entries anywhere here. This was the perfect one because we manipulated on a 15-minute VPR delivering from his hourly, right? And we are respecting their treaty race and we just waited for the inversion here and break even in this low. Beautiful TRR trade. It's gonna be it for today's video, guys. And yeah, for this particular session, this will be my last video since I'm already low battery. You can see here, I'm pretty low battery. So yeah, it's gonna be it for today. Beautiful trading session tonight. Hope you learned a lot. Peace.